Hello everyone, welcome to the crash course by me Anuj Jindal. Today we are going to talk about Northeast Venture Fund, which was created in 2017, but the corpus of the fund has been decided recently, and therefore it becomes important. The Northeast Venture Fund, the purpose is to make Northeast India a favorite destination for young startups. So that is the main purpose, to invite new and new startups to invest or to start their ventures in the Northeastern region. So that we can have more jobs in the Northeastern region, we can have more entrepreneurship, we can have more productive investment and productive working in the northeastern part of our country. The Ministry of Development of Northeast region is the ministry responsible for rolling out this venture fund. So if you want to start a startup in the northeastern region, you can take part or take advantage of this Northeast Venture Fund. The department or the Northeastern Development Finance Corporation Limited is going to be the corporation looking after the development fund, and the corpus is rupees 100 crore. Now the scheme was launched in the year 2017, but the corpus has been decided now, and that is why it becomes important. Something related to Northeast, there's a lot of confusion among a majority of the students. They don't know the capitals of all these states. Sikkim, we have Gangtok; Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar; Nagaland, Kohima; Manipur, Imphal; Mizoram, Aizawl; Tripura, Agartala; Meghalaya, Shillong; and Assam, Guwahati. So these are the 8 sisters that we have, and it's important that we remember at least the capitals of all these northeastern states. If you like this lecture, please subscribe to my YouTube channel now. You can also provide me feedback in the comment section below. Please join the YouTube community in order to get regular updates about the videos that I post and to take quizzes on a daily basis. You can also join my Facebook group as well as Telegram groups in order to take those quizzes and get access to PDFs and videos on a regular basis. You can also join the Google app that I have, Android app, which has been named as Infinity. You can join that, you can download that app in order to get access to all the older PDFs as well as quizzes that have been made available there.